Good morning, students. This is class 5, term 3, English. Everyone has a dream in their life to achieve something. Even I too had a dream to become a teacher. I hope you all have a dream like me. So let all your dreams come true. Today we are going to see about a poem called The Dreamer. Okay, students, open your book and listen carefully. If you have any doubts in this poem, write it down in a note. I will clarify on the day of reopening. Now let's see the lines of the poem. The dreamer. Imagine there is no diversity. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for. Am I a dreamer? I hope not the only one. Will you join me to make the world as one? Imagine all that belongs to you is shared. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger. Am I a dreamer? I hope not the only one. Will you join me to make the world as one? Okay, students, let's see the explanation in this poem, The Dreamer. In this poem, The Dreamer, it has 4 stanzas and also it has 16 lines in this poem. Stanza 1. Imagine there is no diversity. It isn't hard to do, nothing to kill or die for. In the first stanza, the poet explains about the meaning of dream. Does anyone knows what is the meaning of dream? Yeah, dream is something which is imaginary form where events or pictures happen in your mind when you are sleeping. In this poem, poet is a dreamer. Here, the poet imagines that there is no diversity. It means he is imagining the unity everywhere. He also conveys it is not so difficult to do this. Birds also have the form of unity. Unity is very important to our life. Only when we are united, we can unite the taste of success. A family called a family only when the members live together. We celebrate all festival together. If we stand together, we can fight with any problem. Unity shows us when we should judge people on our religion. You cannot break a heap of brick, but we can able to break a single brick. Okay, students, let's go into the stanza 2. Am I a dreamer? I hope not the only one. Will you join me to make the world as one? In the second stanza, the poet imagines and says, I am not only the person to dream. Will you all join with me? In this line, the poet conveys his wish that he wants everyone to live in unity. Now let's go to the third stanza. Imagine all that belongs to you is shared. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger. In the third stanza, the poet is again imagining whatever belongs to you, either food or money or clothes, is to be shared. Children, you should need to learn sharing so that they can make up good friends, so you can play cooperatively and you can make positive vibes. Sharing teaches us compromise and fairness. The longer we keep what's happening in our lives inside, are more disconnected we feel. Sharing with others gives us the opportunities to celebrate. Finally, we came to the last stanza of this poem, The Dreamer. Stanza 4. Am I a dreamer? I hope not the only one. Will you join me to make the world as one? In the last stanza, the poet again asks here, Will you all join me? Why means he wants to make the whole world as one unity. In the real world, we are divided by caste, religion, race, and wealth. So we have to live in unity and we have to share with hunger and greed people to make them happy. Students, let all be united with your friends and family members. So let us all share each other without any greediness, without any selfishness in our life. Let us see the new words in this poem, The Dreamer. Imagine. I am AGINE. Imagine. Dreamer. 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 Share. 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 Wonder. 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 Greed. 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 Hope. 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 Hunger. 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 And lastly, belong. 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 Hey children, we look at the glossary in this poem, The Dreamer. Imagine, think, hope, confident, belong, to be a part, share, distribute. Wonder, surprise, greed, excessive desire. Dreamer, imaginary form appears in dream. Hunger, need for food. Okay students, let's move on to question and answer. Look at the question and answer and listen properly. First question. How are we divided in real world? Answer. In the real world, we are divided by caste, religion, race and wealth. Second question. Does the poet want diversity? Why? Answer. No, the poet does not want diversity because due to diversity, wars were occurred and people lost their life. Last question. Do you like this kind of world? Answer. Yes, I like this kind of world where it is without any diversity to live peacefully. Okay children, now it's time for evaluation. I will give you some questions to write in your note. So, write properly and answer the questions correctly. First question. What is the name of the poem? Second, how does the poet tells us to create the world? Third, what are the two things we should not do? Fourth question, what is your dream in your life? Okay students, let's go to the next topic, grammar. Can you able to identify the two picture? The first picture identifies the ant, which is an insect, and in the second picture it identifies a girl named Ant. Today I am going to teach you all about homophones. Homophones are the form of words that sound the same but have a different spelling and different meaning. Here are some examples for homophones. Hat, hat. H-A-R-E is a hat. H-A-I-R is also a hat. So, in this word, it is pronounced the same as another word which has different meaning and different spelling. Flower. F-L-O-U-R is flower. F-L-O-W-E-R is also a flower. Here, a word is pronounced same as another word which has different meaning and different spelling. Meat, meat. M-E-A-T, meat. M-E-E-T is also a meat. In this word also, it has pronounced the same as another word which has different meaning and different spelling. In the third, pad, pad. P-A-I-R is a pad. P-E-A-R is a pad. So, in this example, it has pronounced the same as another word which has different meaning and different spelling. Board, board. B-O-A-R-D is a board. B-O-R-E-D is also a board. In this word also, it has pronounced the same as another word which has different meaning and different spelling. Okay students, I hope you learned about what is dream and what is unity and also about homophones with examples in this session. Let us meet with new interesting topic in next session.